visiting Castle Camelot. Yes, Cheesy.
Is there a guillotine?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Well, there should be.
What's a guillotine? I didn't say anything. Oh, wait, did I just like... Dave's ancestor was a deranged killer. Dave just ordered a new set of knives. That's right.
Hello?
What kind of costume is this?
It's a peasant's costume. It looks good to me.
Shut it, Cheesy.
No. A servant who talks to the prince with such disrespect goes straight to the guillotine.
You don't have a guillotine.
Okay, right. What will we do? Have a chilly dungeon.
Well, I'm a little short of breath, you know. Not because I'm out of
Dave, there's a huge bug on your sandwich.
Oh, it's just a bug. I love bugs. They're little fellas. Ow!
Dave,
Excuse me, boy. Can you come inside for a minute? Have you boys heard of trolls? Oh, yeah.
hide under the bridges or the ones in the computer? In the computer. So they do exist?
It's all right.
And they just need to cause people harm?
Oh, yeah, I can do that. Just destroy people.
Because I'll never get a couple of trolls about that yellow. Let's not.
Okay, so, Kevin, we should probably get going. Kevin? Yeah, we will tell you what, but we should be going.
No! All right, boys. Time for a little spider.
I think there's someone hanging right there.
Oh, please, Alvin. How bad can it be?
Oh, please. Oh, come on. I need to do last time, please. Oh, sir, please. Please.
Me, please.
All right, you.
Son of a nutcracker.
What was that?
Probably just a power surge. I saw on the news a weather front was rolling in. Gonna be lots of fog. Anyway, I'm gonna go for my run now. I'd run.
We have to call the police.
Oh, I hate this fall. It's so hard to see. We must be careful, David. I don't want us to trip.